we have to find first four terms in the expansion of 1 minus 2x to the power 10 in ascending powers of x. Okay, so basically we have to find the first four terms in the expansion, right? So
Yeah.
we know that expansion is 10C0, 1 to the power 10 and negative 2x to the power 0 plus 10C1, 1 to the power 9 minus 2x to the power 1 plus 10C2, 1 to the power 8 and negative 2x to the power 2, and last term will be 10C3, 1 to the power 7 negative 2x to the power 3. We have to determine four terms, so we have already written four terms. So first term will be 10C0. NC0 is 1. NC0, we have NC0 is 1. So, and right
1 to the power 10.
NC0, 1. Yes. So it will be 1, negative 2x to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is always 1. So this is 1 plus 10C1. NC1 is what? N. I'm writing the basic rules in the right hand side. So 10C1 is 10 and 1 to the power anything is 1 itself. And negative 2x, negative 2x. Okay. And plus 10C2. 10C2 is 10 into 9 into factorial 8 divided by factorial 2 into 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 factorial is 8 factorial. So this will be cancelled out and here it is 5. And negative 2x to the power 2. That will become 4x square. Do you understand, Rajvi?
Yeah, but wouldn't it? Just hold me 1 second. Wouldn't it come out as
10C1 is 10 and negative 2x to the power 1. That will be negative 2x itself. Anything to the power 1 is the number itself. Isn't it?
So it will be negative
2 to the power 1 is 2. Yes, negative 20. Yes, negative 20x. And
so
10C3.
Okay.
10C3 is what? 10 into. It was 10C2. We have mistaken over here. We have mistaken. 10C3 will be this one. And 10C2 will be. Just a minute.
No, it should be correct. No? 10C0, 10C1, 10C2, and then 10C3.
10, we have written 10C3 over here. It's not 10C2. So 10C2 will be what? 10C2 will be 10 into 9 divided by 1 into 2. Yes, 45.
Yeah.
And negative 2x to the power 2. So that is 4x square. And here it will be 10C3 and negative 2x to the power 3. So this will be negative 8x cube. Now we rewrite the terms. So this will be 1 minus 20x and this is 45 times 4 is 180x square, and we have 45 into 8 is 360 x cube. This should be the answer. Is it 360 or 960? 45 times 8, 10C3. Okay, here we have mistaken in fact. we have mistaken over here. 10C3 10C3 will be 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. That's it. So 3 times and 2 4 times. So 4 3 are 12, 10 are 120 times 8 will be 960. This will be the answer. Now, B part is use the answer of part A with a suitable value of x to find an approximate value of 0.98 to the power 10. Now in B part, we have to find 0.98 to the power 10. Okay. So 0.98 to the power 10 can be written as 1 minus, it can be written as 1 minus 0.02 to the power 10. Is it? Rajveer, can we write that?
Yes, but why wouldn't if
Yes.
that was the case, right? Why can't we just write it as 1 minus oh no wait.
Tell me if you have any idea, you can tell me.
But
See, 1 minus 0.02 is what it is not nothing but 0.98 itself, because we cannot change question, right? We can just perform means we can just write in different form. We cannot change the value. So 0.98 can be written as 1 minus 0.02 and power is 10. Now expanding it, 1 to the power 10 is 1 minus 10C1 is 10 times 0.02. Okay, plus 10C2. 10C2 is what? 10C2 will be 45 and 0.02 square minus 10C3. 10C3 will be 10, 9, 8 over 1 to 3. That comes to 120 and 0.02 cube. So we will just take 4 terms as we did in part A. So we have 1 minus 10 into 0.02 will be 0.2 plus 45 times 0.0004 minus 120 and into 8. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1 minus 0.2 plus 45 4 times is 180. And how many digits are there? 4 digits. So 1 0 and then decimal. Do you understanding? Are you understanding the calculation?
Yeah.
Minus 960. And how many digits are there? 2, 3, 5, 5 digits. So 3 digits, 2 zeros, and then decimal. So positive terms will be added together. 1 plus 0.0180. 1.0180 and minus 0.2, it is 0.200 and 0.0960. So 0692. 0692 and decimal. So it will be 0.2960. 0.2960. And now subtract them. 1.0180, 0.2960. Okay, subtract them. So 0, 2, 2, 7 and 0. So it comes 0.722, but the answer is approximately 0.17. Maybe we have done some calculation error. Calculator is allowed in your examination, so you can use calculator to get the correct answer. Okay. Question number 12. Find in ascending order of x first 4 terms in the binomial expansion. It is of the same type of question. You can do it yourself. Is it?
Which question?
12.
Yeah, I'll try it.
And in 13 again we have similar type of question. Find the first 5 terms in ascending powers of x in the binomial expansion. And in second part we have used the power of part A with a suitable value of x to find an approximate value of 1.202 over to the power 12. Okay. Question 14. We are doing question number 14 now, right? Just a minute. Irregular, yes. Okay. Question number 14. Question is, in the binomial expansion of 1 plus kx to the power 6, where k is constant, the coefficient of x cube is twice as large as the coefficient of x square. K is constant, the coefficient of x cube is twice as large as the coefficient of x square. Find the value of k. Okay. So first we have to find the coefficient of x cube. And so what we do, we just expand it. Okay. So we do the expansion. 6kx plus 6c2. 6c2 will be 6 into 5 over 2, that is 15. And kx square plus 51, 6, 15, and then 62, 63. 63 is 654 divided by 6. So 20. 20kx whole cube. We need not to write the terms ahead. Getting me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Because
we
we
are
just
not
need x square and x cube. We have to take the coefficient of x cube and x square. Now it is given that coefficient of x cube is twice the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. That means 20k cube is equals to 2 times 15k square. Isn't it? Coefficient of x square is what? What is the coefficient of x square?
is 15.
15k square. 15k square. K is
K
also there.
Yeah.
Yes. And in second case, 20k cube. Okay. So
Yeah.
k cannot be 0. So we can just cancel out. So 20k equals to 2 into 15. So k equals to 2 into 15 over 20. So value of k comes to 3 over 2. It comes to 3 over 2. K equals to 3 over 2. This will be the answer. Got it, Rajveer?
Yeah.
Now coming to question number 15. Find in ascending power of x the binomial expansion. We have already done lots of question on of such type. B part is by using the expression obtained in part A, otherwise find the expansion of, otherwise find the binomial expansion of this. This is again of the same type. In fact, we just need to use the different expression, nothing else. So come down, question number 16, similar type of question. Question 16b is different. Okay, question B is different. Part B is different. So question number 16 we'll be doing now. Question number 16 is find the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x. First 4 terms, 1 plus 2x to the power 7. First term is 1 and 7c0, 1. Okay. And 7c1 is 7 into 2x plus 7 into 7c2, that is 7 into 6 over 1 into 2 and 2x square plus 7c3. So 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 2x to the power 3. So how many terms we have to take? First 4 terms. We have already taken 4 terms. Yeah. So 1 plus 14x plus 21 into 4x square. 2x whole square is 4x square. And here it is 2, 3 just 6. So plus 35 into 8x cube. So we have 1 plus 14x plus 84x square plus 280 x cube. 280 x cube. This will be the answer of the first part. And second part, we have hence determine it was a part A, now part B. Hence determine the coefficient of x in the expansion of this one. Coefficient of x in the expansion of 1 plus 2x to the power 7 and 3 plus 2x to the power 4. We need to find the expansion of this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is 1 plus 2x to the power 7 we already have. Okay. And 3 plus 2x to the power 4. We do one thing. We first find 3 plus 2x to the power 4. This will be 3 to the power 4, isn't it? 4C0, 3 to the power 4 plus 4C1, that is 4 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, just a minute. 4, 3 to the power 3 and 2x to the power 1 plus 4, 3 to the power 2 and 2x to the power 2. And next term is 4, 3 to the power 1, okay, and 2x whole cube plus 4, 3 to the power 0, 2x to the power 4. So this becomes 81, 108, 216x plus 9 4 ja, 36 4 ja, 144 x square and 8 3 ja 96 x cube plus 16 4 ja 64 x to the power 4. This is the expansion. Now we have to find the coefficient of x. So for the coefficient of x, you can see that this 2x must be multiplied by this one. Okay. And one more thing, this should be multiplied by this one, and and we have other x coefficient is this one multiplied by 1. Don't you think? 1 multiplied by this one and 2x multiplied by this one. So we just pick up two terms. Okay, we shall just pick two terms. What are they? 1 into 2x into 3 to the power 4.
Yeah, and then 1x into 4x, 4 3 to the.
Now the terms containing x equals to 2x to the power into 3 to the power 4 plus 1 into 216 x. 1 into 216 x. So this becomes 81 2 times is 168x plus 216x. Add them. Do we have more terms contains x? Let's see that 1 into this, 2x into this one. Is there any other term? I don't think any other term will be there. 1 plus 14x. It was 14x. Okay. So 14x times 3 to the power. Okay, we have wrongly done. Here it will be 14. Just a minute. Okay. See, we have to contain. First, we have to take this one. 1 multiplied by this one. Okay. 1 multiplied by this one. So this will be 4 into 3 cube into 2x. That is 216 into 1. So 216 into x. 1x. And now 14x. And we are just choosing those terms which contain x and multiplied by the constant so that it remains the same. 14x times 3 to the power 4. These two terms. So 14x into 81. 14x into 81 plus 14x into 81. So 216x plus 113x. Add them. So this will be 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. 4, 5, 5, and 11 plus 2, 13. So it is 1350x. Therefore, coefficient of x is 1352. What is the answer? Yes, answer is the same. We have the same answer. Now, question 17, 18, these are of the 17 are of the same type.
Could
Right.
I just ask, could we just do one more question like that?
Question 18, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we are doing one more question. In fact, we'll be doing more questions, but now I want to change the, in this PDF, you have solution as well, if you could see. So I think you can get help from there also. So I just want to make you understand from those parts or those contents where you cannot find the solution. Right? Okay, so doing question number 18.
18, okay.
Question number 18. We have 1 minus 2x to the power 8. A part is Find the first four terms in the expansion of fx in ascending power of x. So this is a similar type of question. Just you need to expand it. HC0 is 1 and we have minus 8 times 2x plus 8C2 is 8 into 7 over 2 and negative 2x square. So plus will be there in fact, plus 4x square. Plus 4x square into 4x square. And minus 8 into 7 into 6, 1, 2, 3. And 2x cube means 8x cube. How many terms we have to take? Find first four terms in ascending power of x. We have taken first four terms. Just simplify it. 1 minus 16x. And here it is 112x square and minus 56 into 8. X cube. Okay. So these are the four terms in fact of the expansion. Hence, determine is in ascending order of ascending power of x, the first four terms in the expansion of this. 2 plus 3x. Now 2 plus 3x into 1 minus 2x whole to the power 8. So we shall write this 2 plus 3x 1 minus 16x plus 112x square 448x cube and so on. Okay. And determine in ascending order of x the first four terms in the expansion of this. So first four terms. First we need to multiply by 2. So 2 and minus 2 into 16x. 32 minus 32 and plus 3. That will be minus 29x. Okay. And 2 into 112x square is 220 plus 224 x square. And if you multiply 3x into negative 16 minus 48 x square. Perhaps you are not able to understand it. Tell me whether you are able to understand this expansion or not. What we are doing, 3x times 16x. Okay.
I just have one question. So you see, I got it till it says 224 minus 4x
into not 4x, 48. 3x into 16x minus 48 x square.
And we
So
start
x square is taken common. Yes, x square is taken common. And now 2 times negative 448x cube. Taking these two terms. So we have and 112 x square times 3x. So again it will contain x cube. So 336 plus 336 minus 3 into minus 2 into 448. That is 896 x cube. Okay. We have these four terms. we just need to simplify 2 minus 29x and do the calculation. It will be 14 minus 8. $224 minus, so 1 plus 176 x square, and here it is negative sign will be there. 6 minus 6 0, 9 minus 3 6, 560 x cube, and further we are not writing the terms, so this will be the answer. Check your answer. Yes, this is the same that we have done. Now we are not going to do from this chapter now. We will do something else, or some difficult question. I am looking for some difficult question from this exercise containing general term or something like that, because it's a 57 pages PDF. So lots of questions are there. And if you do all these questions, you will gather confidence to do any type of question. Okay. Example, question number 26 we are doing now. This question is really different from other. Question 26 I am writing over here. Question 26 is find the term which is independent of x. Find the term independent of x in the binomial expansion of 4x cube minus 1 over 2x and to the power 8. X does not equal to 0. This is the question. Okay. So term independent of x. So in such type of question, we write the general term first. So how to write the general term? General term GT. General term GT. Okay. General term solution. General term TR plus 1 equals to NCR. N is 8. A to the power n minus r, b to the power r. So TR plus 1, n is 8, r we need to find. A is 4x cube to the power 8 minus r. B is negative 1 over 2x to the power r. You tell me, Rajveer.
Yeah.
Whether you understood the last step that we have done. In the first step, I have just written the formula. In the second step, n equals to 8, a equals to 4x cube, and b is negative 1 over 2x.
Is negative 1 over 2x. Yeah.
Yes. Now you tell me, if we want the term independent of x, first you make me understand the meaning of this sentence and then tell me the solution. Tell me the steps that you are going to take so that you get term independent of x? Tell me. It's your turn. Did you understand my question? Question is,
Yeah.
you need to find term independent of x. What does it mean? Explain it. One thing. Secondly, to get the term independent of x, what the step you are going to take so that you get term independent of x.
So wouldn't it be the same thing as like the coefficient of like as in wouldn't
Okay,
it be the second term, right? Because second term is always to the power like x to the power 1. So then
okay.
if it is independent of x, wouldn't it be just the coefficient of that?
Yes, up to some extent you are correct. So we have to obtain such term. We have to obtain the value of r in such a way that power of x should be cancelled, means x term should be cancelled out. Okay, x term should be cancelled out, so that the power of x in the numerator should be equal to the power of x in the denominator, isn't it?
Yeah.
So first step that we are going to take is we will just write the power of x in simplified form. So 8CR 4 to the power 8 minus r and x cube to the power 8 minus r divided by minus 2x to the power r. So minus 2x to the power r can be written as minus 2 to the power r x to the power r. This is 8 minus r. Okay. So this can be written as 8CR 4 to the power 8 minus r x to the power 3 times 8 minus r, that is 24 minus 3r, and divided by minus 2 to the power r x to the power r. Have you understood the last step?
Yeah.
3 into 8 minus r. Okay, a to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power mn. So these three will be multiplied to 8 minus r, that becomes 424 minus 3r.
So 24
Now
minus
3r.
Yeah.
The logic that we discussed is that the power of x should be same, so that they should be cancelled out. That means we have 24 minus 3r. What we will write? 4 term independent of x, independent of x, 24 minus 3r should be equal to r, and from here 24 equals to r plus 3r, that is 4r. So the value of r that we are going to get is 6. So the value of r is
why would you make this equal to r?
We discussed a lot about it. If we want to cancel x term, then power of x should be equal in the numerator as well as denominator, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah.
If we wish to cancel these two terms, that means the power of x must be equal. Only then we will be able to cancel out. That means 24 minus 3r should be equal to r. So value of r is what? 6. Now, just put the value of r. We will get 8cr, r is 6. 4 to the power 8 minus r, that is 8 minus 6. And x to the power 24 minus 3, 6 are 18, that is 6. And divided by minus 2 to the power r, r is 6 into x to the power 6. This got cancelled out. Now, whatever remaining, we just have to simplify it. And that will be the term independent of x. Okay. So we have 8c6 is what? 8 into 7 over 1 into 2. And this can be written as factorial 6. And in the denominator also we have factorial 6. Cancel out. 4 to the power 8 minus 6, 2. And minus 2 to the power 6 will be 64. What do you say?
Yeah.
If the power is even, then negative sign
Negative sign
becomes
goes away.
positive.
Yeah.
Yeah. 16 4 times. And
Yes.
4 2 times. 2 get cancelled. So answer is just 7. Only 7 is remaining. So term independent answer, check your answer. Yeah, it's 7. Answer is 7.
This is question 26, right?
It was question number 26.
So like we have to do this entire process to get there, right?
Yes, you have to do the entire process. And it is very simple that if you want to term independent of x, first write the general term, then make the x power of x equal. So in the numerator as well as denominator. If they are equal, they will be cancelled out. Then whatever remaining, the coefficient, that will be a constant only, x will be removed. So it's very simple. It's not difficult process. Okay.
Just, yeah. Okay.
So now it's your turn. I am going to find the term independent of x in the expansion of 3 to the power 3 over x minus 2x over 5 to the power 6. A part. B part. Find the middle term in the expansion of 2x plus 3 over x power 11, 10, power 10. So this question has two parts. First part, you need to find term independent of x, and in the second part you have to find the middle term. Both of such type of question we have already discussed. We have already done lots of practice. Hopefully you will be able to do it. Okay. So it's your turn now. Do it.
But I'd love to expand it, right?
No need to expand all these things. Expansion is not required in such questions.
Okay, so then
We
would I
will use
just
the
find
same.
the first?
Find general term, right? Find general term.
Yeah, I have the general term. Yeah.
Yes. So general term is taken as NCR. General term will be just a minute. I take another. Okay. So general term will be NCR. That is 6CR.
6CR.
We are doing first. Yeah, 6CR and 3 over x to the power 6 minus r and minus 2x
And
over 5 to the power r.
yeah.
Yes. Now we have to focus on x term containing x. Okay, so 6CR 3 to the power 6 minus r 3 to the power 6 minus r into minus 2 to the power r. That's not our concern. Minus 2 over 5, in fact, minus 2 over 5. We have concern about this one. Okay, we want to make them. So we have x to the power r over here, right? X to the power r divided by x to the power 6 minus r, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if we make them equal, if we want to cancel this, then r equals to 6 minus r, isn't it? So 2r equals to 6, r equals to 3. So if we put r equals to 3, then it will be term independent of x. Okay, so just put r equals to 3. Put r equals to 3. Then we have 6c3 and 3 to the power 6 minus 3, that is 3. And minus 2 over 5 to the power r. R is 3. That's it. We just need to simplify. So 6c3 is what?
Just a quick question. Right.
Yes.
So you go up slightly.
I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
Could you like scroll up slightly so I can see that first part as well?
Yes, yes.
So I just have so I just want to get this like right properly. So it's fine. Yeah. So 6CR, so then that 3 over x to the power 6 minus r, it becomes just 3 to the power 6 minus r, right? And
Yes.
then it's minus 2x over 5, that becomes just minus 2 over 5 to the power r, right? And then that
it did not become just minus 2 over 5. In fact, we have taken the constant term together. We can take the constant term together and variable term apart, so that we can just understand what is the power of x. Okay, that way. So
okay, so
we
it
have
stays,
taken, yeah,
it
yes,
stays 2x minus 2x over 5.
yes. It's minus 2x to the power r, and here it is 3 over x to the power 6 minus r. We have to separate x, getting me, so that we can understand what should be the power of x. Okay, to find the value of r, we have to equate the power of x from the numerator as well as denominator. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So that becomes, and here it is minus 8 over 125. Whatever comes, minus 160 over 125. This will be the coefficient. And so far as B part is concerned, in B part, we have to take the middle term. See, if the power n is even. N is even. N equals to 10 over here. 10 here, even term, even number, sorry. So n plus 1 is 11. That is odd. Why we are taking n plus 1? We have already discussed that in the expansion of a term containing n terms, it will have n plus 1 terms while we expand, because it starts with 0.
0.
Okay. Yes. So what will be the middle term? Middle term will be 11 plus 1 over 2x. That is 12 over 2. So sixth term will be the middle term. We need to find the sixth term. So sixth term will be T6. That is T5 plus 1. So it will be 10. Okay. 10C 5, not 6, 5. R is 1 less. Okay, just a minute. Let me write over here. It is 10C 5 into first term. First term is 2x and 3x. Okay, 2x. So 2x to the power n minus r, that is 10 minus 5 is 5, and 3 over x to the power 5. This will be the middle. Okay, so hopefully you will be doing more questions on the same topic, and in the next class I'll take your doubts and then we'll be doing next topic. Okay, so your homework is the worksheet, but make sure you do not get the solution, rather you will try yourself, right? So binomial expansion question we discussed, question number 20 till question number 26. So question 30 onwards.
Okay.
And even in between we have left over some questions before 26 as well, so you can do that. Okay, I got your message. Just a minute. Let me off the